Hello everyone. Today the topic on which we are going to discuss is management of current assets. Under the management of current assets, there is a topic cash management. Okay. I thought of just explaining the problem of cash management today. Okay. So over here the problem has given over on that how to solve that we will see. Datta company issues check of 4,000 daily and it takes 8 days for its check to be cleared. Datta company received check of 20,000 daily and it takes 5 days for these checks to be realized. Assume that there is balance of rupees 30,000 to begin with. Show the balance in the book of the firm and the book of the bank. What is the balance in the steady state situation? This is the problem which has given. Okay, how to solve that we will discuss. Generally, first thing, when a particular firm runs, they used to have their own cash book as well as passbook. Okay, cash book and a passbook. So cash book belongs to the particular firm in which they used to write all the data related to that particular firm. Okay, passbook will have data which is filled by bank. Again, so over here also the same one. This is a book of company, book of bank. Okay, book of company, book of firm and book of bank. So for to undergo for this particular problem, what we need to do is calculation of total balance in the book of company and bank. We will be giving this heading. Then we are going to create two different columns like book of company, book of bank. Under book of company, we are mentioning days, debit, credit, total balance. Day, debit, credit, total balance. Days, like for how many days, that is the reason we are mentioning each and every, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Likewise we have mentioned over on 0 also we have mentioned something. Again, I'll tell you why we have mentioned. Now what we will do, we will start a problem with the thing like day, 0 day, but we have written total balances under total balance is 30,000 under the book of company, because this 30,000 is a opening balance. Okay, opening balance, assume that there is a balance of 30,000 to begin with. It's an opening one, that is the reason we have written 30,000. On the second one, what it has written, debit, like all the days, means from the first day daily they are issuing a check of rupees 4,000. That is the reason first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day, ninth day, 10th day and the 11th day. Likewise all the days they are releasing the checks. Okay, issuing the checks. Now about the credits, here it has mentioned like Datta company received check of rupees 20,000 daily. They are receiving checks of 20,000 daily. So 1 2 3 4 5 the same way till the 11th day we are writing. Now what we are going to do, we are going to mention the total balance. Like total balance, it's a 30,000 first. Okay, opening is 30,000. So on the next day, how much the balance will be on the first day, as it is going to be released. Like you are issuing check of rupees 4,000. So 30 minus 4, that will be 24. Okay, 30 minus 4, that will be 26. 26 plus 20, that will be 46. Likewise, then 46 minus 4, that will be 42. 42 plus 20, 62. Likewise we are doing for the all. So final we will be getting 2,06,000. Again, then book of bank, as it has mentioned over here, like 2 means they are releasing the checks daily of 4,000, but it is taking 8 days for its clearance. 8 days. So we will be counting 8, 1 in the debit in the bank books of bank. We will be taking in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over on 8 directly we are going to write 4,000. On by that time the bank won't be showing that they received the money. That is the reason we are directly keeping on the 9th day. Okay, 9th day, 9, 10, 11, we have written for 3 days. Okay, 8 days anyhow it's taking for the realization. That is the reason we have not written anything, means for the clearance it has taken. Now we will see about this. Datta company received check of rupees 20,000 daily and it is taking 5 days for this check to be realized. Means when they are receiving the checks, it's taking 5 days for the realization. That is the reason we are leaving this thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from the 6th day directly we have started writing 20,000 till 11th day. Now we will be starting with the totaling. 30,000 is the opening balance. Then first day will be the same, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, because 5 days here it has mentioned 5 days, till the 5 days 30,000 will be. Then directly 20,000 will take effect over here. Okay, 20,000. So 30 plus 20 it will be 50. 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 20 90. Then from this time after the 8 days, 9th day will have a 4,000 of effect. So 90 plus 20, that will be 110. 110 minus 4, 1,06,000. Again, in the same way 1,06,000 minus 4,000, 1,06,000 minus 4,000, that will be 1,02,000. 1,02,000 plus 20, 1,22,000. 1,22,000 minus 4, that will be 1,18,000. 1,18,000 plus 20, 1,38,000. So in this way we are going to mention, like this is the firm book, this is a bank book. So under the firm book and bank book, what difference is coming, we are going to just justify over here. Now we will be giving our conclusion. What is the conclusion? In the above table, the difference between the total balance in the book of company and the total balance in the book of bank is 68,000. When we subtract this two, like that is 1,38,000 minus 2,06,000, that will be 68,000. So it is coming in the negative. 68,000 is in negative. So such situation won't be considered as steady state. Okay. So I believe you people have understood this problem too. Thank you very much.